Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix error code VCCORLIB140.DLL file is either not designed to run on Windows or contains an error. In this video seeing before you are begin, subscribe my YouTube channel. We can fix by using these 3 steps. Let's go ahead. That first step, disable Windows security. So we need Windows security, so search the Windows security. You can click to open, then you can go to the virus and threat protection, then you can click on the allowed threats. Then if there is available DLL files, just right click on to remove it, or click on the protection history. If there is available, just remove the game files. So then go to that next method. After that you can click on the virus and threat protection, then go to that manage settings. Then here if the serial type protection is turn it on, simply turn it off. After that close it, the new tab, then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart button, click to restart your system. After that check it again. If this right way does not working, then go to the next step, update your Windows. So we need settings, so search the settings, we can click to open, then go to that Windows update. If there is an available update, just download and install button, click to update the latest version Windows software or Windows version. Once it updated, then close it, then restart your system, again recheck your application or your game. And then if this try to sometimes this does not working, then go to the next step, DLL file download manually. This video already made it, that video description provided, then click to see fix it. And if you have any doubt, go to the comment section, comment, I will definitely reply. And don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.